We're going to make Easter thingamajiggies.
Mini
Yeah.
Easter basket.
Yeah. I'll just scrape that into there.
Yeah, I've got that for you.
Oh, looks.
Can we
Oh,
do-
yeah.
shall I hold it?
I'll let you video it.
I'll hold the phone.
We're making an Easter nest for everyone when they come around tomorrow. And weekend, Easter weekend. That's good, isn't
Yeah.
it? It's got that. It comes all out. Looks yummy already.
It's got good ingredients.
And that's all of it.
Like that.
So
We've got butter in there,
got butter in there and 2 lots of chocolate.
dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and syrup.
And then put it on the heat and then stir it with the...
Yeah, just leave it to melt really.
Yeah.
And done.
Uh,
Sticky stuff, that syrup.
sticky stickies. That's good, isn't it?
So if you hold on to that.
That's it, look. That's going to be fun.
I might just mix that under a bit.
And the hand tastes nice and syrupy.
Just leave it all. Let the syrup go down a bit.
Yeah. That looks nice.
Well.
We're just stirring the melted ingredients, chocolates and the syrup and the butter. We thought we had the 2 ingredients together, of course. When I melt it, tastes like that, doesn't it? More cooking.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
It's smooth like me. How'd it
You're
go?
going to add it to the...
Oh, yeah. Do you want me to put it in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll come round this side.
Oh, yeah, should I put it? I should have done that. I'll do it here.
Are you right there doing it there?
Yeah. Wow, look at that. Well, it was keen to come out, wasn't it?
That's nice and liquidy.
Wow, that's a nice little mixture.
There's a lot of mixture.
I think that'll be it.
Yeah, got most of it out. Things
Yeah, how's that looking?
yeah, it's fine, Mark. Starts to set, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's hard to stir
Yeah,
it.
stir it now. You have to stir it in. It's a bit of our elbow
Do
grease.
the folding.
Yeah, just take your time.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Just slop everywhere.
And yeah, it's really cool.
It looks like the video we saw on YouTube.
Yeah.
Dig deep, so I can still see at the bottom there's some not mixed
Oh,
in.
it looks... Oh, yeah, did you watch my cake, let me left your cake video?
Yeah.
A lot of people like that.
Yeah, it's nice to watch.
And the outdoor flowers are up.
Yeah, I like that. That's good. Isn't it?
Let's go get it all in.
Yeah, keep stirring. It's quite. This is
Oh,
a bit.
wow.
Takes a bit of work to get it mixed. Good for your strength.
Yeah.
Got to get it all covered in chocolate.
Ooh, like we need more chocolate, I don't know.
No, I think you'll be alright.
I'll only find,
Keep
yeah.
going. Keep going. I've got to turn this tap off. I forgot.
Oh yeah, that's a good
Left
idea.
it running. Yeah, keep going. Do you want me to have a turn? Are you getting tired?
I'll let you do that. It's good teamwork, isn't it? Yay!
It's heavy, isn't it?
It's heavy, that's good though.
Just have to give it a good.
Wow.
Just keep mixing.
It looks like a real nest as well now.
Yeah, they look good.
It's kind of going nicely.
Yeah.
That's good, isn't it? Okay, that one, just an example. That little leg. This little leg. And that little leg. 3 little legs. There you go. Yeah, so they're ready for the Easter eggs pretty well. Yay! It's on Unity Done Creations. Easter baskets. Wow. For this year's Easter celebrations. Yum yum.